In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drink water reminder in Ticktick. Staying hydrated is key to maintaining good health, and setting up a reminder can help ensure you drink enough water throughout the day. Let's dive into the details so you can make this a part of your daily routine. First things first, let's get your habit tracker up and running. If you're using Ticktick on a mobile device, try looking at the bottom bar for the Habit tab, which is often represented by a mountain or leaf icon. If you're on a desktop or the web version, check the sidebar for this icon. Now, if you can't find it, there's no need to worry. We just need to ensure that the Habit Tracker feature is enabled. Head over to the settings in your Ticktick app, find and select the tab bar option on mobile or features if you're on a desktop. Now, toggle on the Habit feature. Once that's sorted, go back to the main interface and you should see the Habit icon appear. Tap on it to open the Habit Tracker. With the Habit Tracker open, it's time to create a habit reminder for drinking water. You'll want to click the plus sign, which typically stands out, allowing you to add a new habit. Begin by naming your habit. Something straightforward like drink water or hydrate works perfectly here. The aim is to make it clear what habit you are tracking so it reinforces your goal every time you see it. Next, let's set the frequency. Since drinking water is an everyday essential, choose daily to remind you each day. But don't stop there. Take advantage of the app's goal-setting feature, which, although optional, can be incredibly motivating. When you tap on Goal, select the option labeled Reach a Certain Amount. This is where you personalize your water intake goal. Decide what amount suits your lifestyle best, such as aiming for 8 glasses, 64 ounces, or 2,000 milliliters of water each day. Finally, customize how you'll track your water intake. There are 2 options for when you check in: automatic recording or manual recording. If you plan to check in once for each glass of water you finish, then automatic recording is a seamless choice. This way, each check-in equates to 1 glass. Should you prefer to input the quantity manually each time, opt for manual recording. This lets you enter the exact amount you consume, giving you more detailed insights into your daily hydration. And that's it! You've successfully set up a drink water reminder with a daily habit in Ticktick. By following these steps, you'll have an easier time keeping track of your water intake, promoting better hydration habits. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier, more hydrated you.